Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. And today we'll be taking a look at this 2016 Toyota Tacoma with your TRD Sport Package. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger, 4x4 double cab pickup truck in a classic black color. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Now, some of your features include your TRD decals, you have that awesome hood scoop, you have a canopy in the back for some extra security with your cargo, and you have a rear vision camera. But there's tons happening on the inside, so why don't we hop on in and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your Tacoma is this handy dandy proximity key fob. This is a Toyota Smart Key. So on your fob, you have your lock, your unlock, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front door, and pushing it twice will unlock all four. You can see there that you do have your side view mirror signal indicators. That's really great for heavy traffic or if you're traveling on the highway. And I am gonna lock it back up, but I'm not gonna use the fob again because this is a proximity key. We can do everything with our key in our pocket. So we are gonna lock it back up so I can show you this little keypad here. You can just place your finger on there. And with that beep, it locked for me. And now I'm going to put my hand on the handle. And with that beep, it unlocked. So that will unlock and lock the front door for you as well. So lots of room to get in and out, really nice and spacious, nice and high off the ground. You do have some storage here in the driver's side door, along with a cup holder. You also have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. To the left of your steering wheel, you have your cargo box lighting, and you have your interior power there. You also have your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle really nice and clean. And then you have this awesome plush interior, really easy to get comfortable in there. So we are gonna hop on in. We're gonna start it up for you. We'll take a look at the odometer and some of the other technology features. So we do have a push start because of that proximity key. Once again, you can leave that key in your pocket. And then taking a look at the dash here, I'm just gonna turn the lights on so you can see the color. So nice blue ambient lighting, not harsh on the eyes. And you can see there your odometer reads 42,084 kilometers. So lots of life left on your Tacoma. Moving a little bit further back, you do have all of the mounted controls that you're going to want. You have your volume control here and your music selection buttons along with your voice command and your mode changer. Just below that is your hands-free calling. And then on the right-hand side here, we have our navigation buttons for our information cluster in the middle there. So information about your fuel economy, your trip distance, things like that. You also have your navigation. You can take a look and see what you're listening to on the radio. You have your tire pressure gauge. All of your warning lights and stuff will come up there. And then you have your settings that you can personalize your vehicle with. So that's going to be really nice for you all. With the touch of a few buttons there. And just behind there is your cruise control for all of those long hauls that you're going to be making, those great road trips. Taking a look at our entertainment system now, you have all of the music options that you're going to want. You have your AM, FM radio. You do have your Sirius XM. You still have your CD player if that's how you want to roll. And then you have your USB, your audio input, and you have your Bluetooth audio. You still have that CD player there as well. So within your applications, you have your navigation. So really easy navigation to learn and use. Come on in, take it for a test drive, plug in your home address. It's really user-friendly, this navigation system. Moving a little bit further down from there, you have your dual zone climate control. That's really handy if there's someone in the room or in the truck running at a different temperature than yourself. And then for your heated seats, you do have it for your driver and your passenger with 3 different heating options there. So that's going to be really nice for both of you as well. Just to the left is your 4x4. And then underneath that is where you will find your USB and your audio input along with a 12-volt DC plug-in in case you have any other devices that you would like to charge. And then you have your power button there. So you do have some cup holders. You have your sport mode here with the Tacoma. Super fun to drive that way. A little bit more storage with that chrome detailing, really nice edgy inside. And then you have your center console here. So lots of room in there. So you have some storage. More storage is included in your lockable glove box. And then right in here, you have all of the manuals that you're going to need. You have a whole bunch of accessories that came with the vehicle. So come on in and take a look at that. Lots of really great stuff happening in the front of your Tacoma. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? All right, so taking a look at the back of your Tacoma now, I wanted to show you that you do have your trailering equipment all ready to go to bring your toys along. You also have your lockable tailgate, and you have this awesome canopy. So you do have the side locks here for your back hatch. So we're just gonna open this up. And I'm gonna try to do this quickly as well because you do have an easy lift and lower tailgate, so it's not gonna come smashing down on you. Really great shape on the inside, so they took very, very good care of it. That's always nice to know. And we're just gonna load this back up. Close this. And we'll give you a nice view of the back of your Tacoma. Giving you a final glimpse then of the 2016 Toyota Tacoma with your TRD Sport Package. There's a ton happening on this vehicle that I didn't get a chance to go through on this brief walk around, so come on in, take it for a test drive, see how you like it, see how it fits in with your lifestyle, ask all of the questions. We're here to help. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.